Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Class 7 Maths Chapter 1 Large Numbers Around Us Part 2 of Crores and Crores. The table below shows some numbers according to both the Indian system and the American system, also called the International System of naming numerals and placing commas. Observe the placement of commas in both systems. So this table shows two different ways people write and read very large numbers. The Indian system and the American system, which is also called the international system. The main difference is where they put the commas. This also changes how they name the numbers. We will see. First we will see Indian system. How commas are placed in Indian system? You put the first comma after the first three digits from the right. After that, you put commas after every two digits. Okay. So this is 1000. See, you put first comma after three digits from right. This is 1000. The next we have 10,000. 10, 000. Next we have 1 lakh. 1, 0, 0, 000. That is, we put first comma after three digits from right. See here. Then next comma after two digits. So 1, 0, 0, 000. Then we have 10 lakhs. That is 10, 0, 0, 000. Next we have 1 crore. See, first comma after three digits from right, then put commas after every two digits. See, then second comma, here we have third comma. Okay. Then we have 10 crores and then we have 100 crores or 1 Arab. Next we have American system or international system. How commas are placed? You always put commas after every three digits from the right. So, after every three digits from the right, you need to put commas. See, first one is 1000. This is similar to Indian system. After three digits from right, we put one comma. Okay. Then we have 10,000. This is also similar to Indian system. Next we have 100,000. This is our 1 lakh. Notice the comma after three digits. See here after three digits we put a comma from the right. Okay. Then we have 1 million, then 10 million, 100 million, then 1 billion. So 1 million is equal to our 10 lakhs. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. 100 million is equal to 10 crores. And 1 billion is equal to 1 Arab. So, the American or international system always groups numbers into three digits and uses thousands, millions and billions. Next, we will see the differences between the Indian and American or international ways of writing and naming large numbers, focusing on how commas are used and what the numbers are called. Notice that in the Indian system, commas are placed to group the digits in a 3, 2, 2, 2 pattern from right to left. See, thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. Okay. So, in Indian system, when you write a big number, you count three digits from the right, put a comma. Then you count two digits, put a comma. Then another two digits, put a comma and so on. It is a 3, 2, 2, 2 pattern. And these numbers are named as thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. In the American system, the digits are grouped uniformly in a 3, 3, 3, 3 pattern from right to left. thousands, millions, billions, etc. In American system, for big numbers, you always count 3 digits from the right and put a comma. Then another 3 digits, put a comma, and so on. It is a 3-3-3-3 pattern. The Indian system of naming numbers is also followed in Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Afghanistan, and Myanmar. The Indian system is used not just in India, but also in nearby countries like Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Afghanistan, and Myanmar. The words lakh and crore originate from the Sanskrit words laksha and koti. The words lakh and crore come from old Sanskrit words laksha and koti. The American system is also used in many countries. The American system or international system is used in many other countries around the world. Observe the number of zeros in 1 lakh and 1 crore. 1 lakh written in numbers would be 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1 lakh is written as 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1 crore written in numbers would be 1 followed by 7 zeros. 1 crore is written as 1 followed by 7 zeros. A lakh is 100 times a thousand. So 1 lakh is 100 times 1000. 100 into 100 into 1000. That is a lakh. Then a crore is a 100 times a lakh. That is a crore is 100 into 1 lakh. That is 100 times a lakh. And an Arab is 100 times a crore. That is 100 into 1 crore. That is an Arab. That is 100,000 is 1 lakh. 100 lakhs is 1 crore. And 100 crores is 1 Arab. How many zeros does 1,000 lakh have? See, 1,000 is 1,000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Then how do you write 1 lakh? 1 lakh is, see, 1,000,000. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros. So 1,000 lakh is like saying 1,000 times 1 lakh. That is 1,000 into 1 lakh. See, what we will get? 1,000 lakh. How many zeros are there? 8 zeros. So how many zeros does 1,000 lakh have? 1,000 lakh has 8 zeros. Next, how many zeros does 100,000 have? See, 100 is 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Then 1,000 is 1,000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So 100,000 is 100 into 1,000. That is 1 lakh. This is 100,000. So 100,000 has 5 zeros. The number 9876501234 can be easily read by placing commas first. See this option A. This is written in the Indian system. 9,87,65,01,234. That is first comma you put after 3 digits from the right. Then next comma after 2 digits. Next comma after 2 digits. Like that. 3-2-2-2 pattern. See, how do you read this number? See, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, then Arab. So, 9 Arab, 87 crore, 65 lakhs, 1,000 and 200 34. Or 987 crore 65 lakh 1234. You can combine the Arab and crores. So 987 crore 65 lakh 1234. Then in the American system, you put commas after every 3 digits from the right, like this. So 9,876,501,234. So here we have hundreds, thousands, then millions, then billions. So 9,876,501,234. Figure it out. Read the following numbers in Indian place value notation and write their number names in both the Indian and American systems. See first one, 4050678. So in Indian system, we will write like this. Put first comma after 3 digits from right, then put commas after every 2 digit. Okay, so 40, 50, 678. So number name is, see, this is hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 40 lakh 50,678. In American system, you put commas after every 3 digit. Okay, like this. So this number name is 4,50,678. See the next number 48121620. In Indian system, we will write like this. First comma you put after 3 digits from right, then for every 2 digits you put comma, like this. So how do you read this number? This number name is 4 crore 81 lakh 21,620. In the American system, we will put commas like this. Put commas after every 3 digit from right. So this is 48,121,620. Then see the next number 200,22,002. So in Indian system, you put commas like this in 322 pattern. First comma after 3 digits from right, then next commas after every 2 digits. So we can write like this 2,00,22,002. How do you read this number? This number name is 2 crore 22,002. The American system, you put commas after every 3 digits from the right, like this 20,022,002. So this is 20,022,002. Okay. The next number 246813579. So in the Indian system, you put commas like this 24, 68, 13, 579. So the number name is 24 crore 68 lakh 13,579. Then the American system, you put commas after every 3 digits from the right. So we will put commas like this. How do you read this number? The number name is 246,813,579. See the next number 345,000,543. In the Indian system, we can write like this 34, 50, 00, 543. So the number name is 34 crore 50 lakh 543. In the American system, you put commas after every 3 digits from the right, like this. And see, this is hundreds, then thousands, then millions. So this is 345,543,000. Next number is 102030404050. So in Indian system, we can write like this: 1,02,03,04,050. The number name is 102 crore, then 3,04,050, or 1 Arab 2 crore 3,04,050. The American system, we can put commas like this: 1,020,304,050. So this is hundreds, thousands, millions, then billion. So 1 billion, 20 million, 304,050. Write the following numbers in Indian place value notation. First one, 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,010. In Indian system, we put first comma after 3 digits from right, then we put commas after every 2 digits. So this is 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,010. Next one, 1 billion, 1 million, 1,001. So in American system, we can write numeral like this. See, hundreds, thousands, millions, billion. So this is 1 billion, 1 million, 1,001. We can rearrange commas so that we will get the Indian system. In Indian system, we put first comma after 3 digits from right, then we put commas after every 2 digits. So we will get like this: 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is Indian place value notation. This is 1 Arab, 10 lakhs, 1,001. 10 crore, 20 lakh, 30,040. See, this is 10 crore, 20 lakh, 30,040. Next one, 9 billion, 80 million, 700,600. So in American system, this will be like this: 9 billion, 80 million, 700,600. So you rearrange the commas. In Indian system, first comma you put after 3 digits from right, then put commas after every 2 digits. So in Indian system, this will be 9, 08, 07, 00, 600. This is 9 Arabs, 8 crore, 7 lakh, 600. Next, compare and write less than, greater than, or equal to. First one, 30,000, then 3 lakhs. So we can write 30,000 like this: 30, 000. Then 3 lakhs, 3, 0, 0,000. So which one is bigger? 3 lakhs is bigger. So comparing 30,000 and 3 lakh, we see that 30,000 is smaller. So 30,000 is less than 3 lakhs. Next, compare 500 lakhs and 5 million. See, 1 lakh is 1, 0, 0,000. Then, therefore, 500 lakhs is 500 into 1 lakh. See, this is 500 lakh. This is 5 crores. Then, 1 million is 10 lakhs. Therefore, 5 million, 10 lakh into 5. See, this is 50 lakh. Definitely, 5 crore is greater than 50 lakh. So, 500 lakh is greater than 5 million. Next, compare 800,000 and 8 million. See, 800,000 is 800 into 1000. This is 8 lakh. Next, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Therefore, 8 million is equal to 80 lakh. Definitely 80 lakh is greater than 8 lakh. So, 800,000 is less than 8 million. Compare 640 crore and 60 billion. See, 1 crore is like this. So, 640 crore, 640 into 1 crore. This is 640 crore. 1 billion. 60 billion is 60 into 1 billion. We can write like this. So, 640 crore is less than 60 billion. Exact and approximate values. 1 lakh people visited the book fair. Oh, so many people. If I had not gone, they would have returned 99,999 people visited the book fair last week. If he had not gone, the total number would have been exactly 1 less than 1 lakh. That is 99,999. What do you think of this conversation? Have you read or heard such headlines or statements? This conversation perfectly highlights a common and practical way we deal with large numbers in everyday life and in newspapers or reports. Very often, exact numbers are not required and just an approximation is sufficient. In most of the situations, exact numbers are not required. We just need approximation. For example, according to the 2011 census, the population of Chintamani town is 76,068. Instead, saying that the population is about 75,000 is enough to give an idea of how big the quantity is. See, exact numbers are precise. See, Chintamani's population 76,068. This is the exact carefully counted number. You need this for official records. But if you use approximated value like 75,000, it is enough to give an idea of how big the quantity is. These approximate numbers are close enough. Bapi, call and check if Tufan Express is on time. So father says to Bapi, Bapi, you call and check if Tufan Express is on time. See the next one. Bapi is shown with his phone looking at a list of emergency numbers and inquiry numbers. You can see the numbers of police, fire, ambulance, disaster management, then railway inquiry. Then the doorbell rings. The man opens the door and to his surprise, 2 policemen are standing there. See this picture? What number did you call? So the man looks surprised and asks Bapi, what number did you call? I called the rounded off number, of course. My teacher told us that efficient people deal with the rounded off numbers. So Bapi confidently replies, I called the rounded off number, of course. My teacher told us that efficient people deal with the rounded off numbers. Here the humor comes from Bapi misunderstanding the concept of rounded off numbers. The exact number for railway inquiry is 139. Bapi, having learned about rounding, seems to have rounded 139 to something like 100 or 112. Both of these are police or emergency numbers. So this is a funny way to show that while rounding is useful, you need to know when and where to apply it. There are situations where it makes sense to round up a number. Rounding up is when approximated number is more than the actual number. So rounding up means approximated number is more than the actual number. For example, if a school has 732 people, including students, teachers and staff, the principal might order 750 sweets instead of 700 sweets. School has 732 people. Principal orders 750 sweets. He doesn't want anyone to miss out. It is better to have a few extra than too few. Then there are situations where it is better to round down. Rounding down is when the approximated number is less than the actual number. So in some situations, it is better to round down. Rounding down means approximated number is less than the actual number. For example, if the cost of an item is rupees 470, the shopkeeper may say that the cost is around 450 instead of saying it is around 500. Because the shopkeeper wants the price to sound more appealing and cheaper to the customer. It is a psychological trick to encourage a sale. Nearest neighbors. With large numbers, it is useful to know the nearest thousand, lakh, or crore. For example, the nearest neighbors of the number 6 crore, 72 lakh, 85,183 are shown in the table below. To find nearest thousand, first look at the thousands place digit. See, here it is 5. Then look at the hundreds place digit. That is digit on its right, hundreds place digit. If the hundreds place digit is more than or equal to 5, then add 1 to the thousands place digit. And all the digits to the right becomes zeros. If the hundreds place digit is less than 5, then thousands place digit remains same and all the digits to the right become zeros. See here hundreds place digit is 1. 1 is less than 5. So, thousands place digit remains same, 5 itself. Then remaining digits to the right become 0. So, 6, 7, 2, 8, 5, 0, 0, 0. The next one, nearest to 10,000. Find the digit at the 10,000 place. See, here it is 8. Then, find the digit to its right, that is thousands place digit. Here it is 5. So, 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So, add 1 to the digit in the 10,000s place. So, 8 plus 1, it becomes 9. Then put zeros to the right. This is nearest 10,000. Next one, nearest lakh. See, here at lakh's position, we have 2. Then, check the next position to the right, 10,000's position, here it is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So, add 1 to the digit at the lakh's position. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then put zeros to the right for remaining digits. So, this is nearest lakh. Next one, nearest 10 lakh. See, at 10 lakhs place we have 7. To its right we have 2. See, we have 2 here at lakhs position. 2 is less than 5. Okay, 2 is less than 5. So, the digit at the 10 lakhs place remains same. Then put zeros to the right. So, 6, 7, then remaining zeros. Next one, nearest crore. See, at crores place we have 6. Check the digit at the right. Here it is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So, add 1 to the digit at the crore place. So, 6 plus 1 is 7. Put zeros to the right. Similarly, write the 5 nearest neighbors for these numbers. First number is 3 crore 87 lakh 69,957. Nearest 1000. See, thousands place digit here is 9. Digit 2 is right, that is hundreds place digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So, add 1 to the thousands place digit. So, here 9 plus 1 is 10, 0. Then 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So, 3 comma 87, comma 70. Then remaining digits becomes 0. The next one, nearest 10,000. Check the 10,000 digit. Here it is 6. Then check the digit to the right. It is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 10,000 place digit. That is add 1 to 6. That is 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So 387, comma 7. Then remaining digits zeros. Next one, nearest lakh. Here the digit at lakhs place is 7. To the right we have 6. 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the lakhs place digit. That is 7 plus 1 is 8. So 388. Remaining digits zeros. The next one, nearest 10 lakh. At 10 lakhs place we have 8. To its right we have digit 7. 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 to 10 lakhs place digit. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 3, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Remaining digits are zeros. The next one, nearest crore. At crores place we have 3. To its right we have 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to crores place digit. That is 4. Remaining digits zeros. See next number. Similarly we can do nearest 1000. You look at the thousands place digit. Here it is 2. Then look at the digit to its right. Here it is 4. 4 is less than 5. So the digit at the thousands place remains same. So up to thousands place you write 29, 05, 3, 2. Then remaining digits zeros. The nearest 10,000. Check the 10,000s place digit. Here it is 3. Look at the digit to its right. It is 2. 2 is less than 5. So the digit at the 10,000 place remains same, 3 itself. So write up to 3, 29, 05, 3. Then remaining digits zeros. The next one, nearest lakh. At lakhs place we have 5. To its right we have 3. 3 is less than 5. So the digit at the lakhs place remains 5 itself. So write up to lakh place 29, 05. Then remaining digits zeros. Then to nearest 10 lakh. See, at 10 lakhs place we have 0. To its right we have 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So add 1 to the digit at the 10 lakhs place. 0 plus 1 is 1. This becomes 1. The remaining digit 0. So 29, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, nearest crore. See, at crores place we have 9. To its right we have 0. 0 is less than 5. So this 9 remains same. So write up to 9 here 29. Then remaining digits zeros. I have a number for which all 5 nearest neighbors are 5 crore. What could the number be? How many such numbers are there? Numbers from 4 crore 99 lakh 50,000 to 5 crore 49,999 would round to 5 crore. See the numbers here. 4 crore 99 lakh 99,998, 4 crore 99 lakh 99,999, then 5 crore 1, then 5 crore 2. All these numbers rounds to 5 crore. So number of such numbers is upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. See, this is upper limit. 5 crore 49,999. Lower limit is 4 crore 99 lakh 50,000. Then add 1. So 1 lakh such numbers are there. Roxy and S2 are estimating the values of simple expressions. See, 4,63,128 plus 4,19,682. Roxy says the sum is near 8 lakh and is more than 8 lakh. S2 says the sum is near 9 lakh and is less than 9 lakh. Are these statements correct? Whose estimate is closer to the sum? See here, what is the exact sum? Exact sum is 4,63,128 plus 4,19,682. So we will get 8,82,810. Then what Roxy says? Roxy says the sum is near 8 lakh and is more than 8 lakh. Is 8,82,810 near 8 lakh? It is not near. See, it is about 82,810 away. See, so it is not near. Then what S2 says? The sum is near 9 lakh and is less than 9 lakh. Is it correct? See, what is S2's difference? 8,82,810 minus 9 lakh. If you take the mode that is without sign, what you will get? 17,190. This is much closer. So, whose statement is closer to the sum? S2 statement. Will the sum be greater than 8,50,000 or less than 8,50,000? What do you think so? We know the exact sum. Exact sum is 8,82,810. Will the sum greater than 8,50,000? See, 8,82,810 is greater than 8,50,000. So, the sum will be greater than 8,50,000. Will the sum be greater than 8,83,128 or less than 8,83,128? What do you think so? See, the exact sum is 8,82,810. This sum will be less than 8,83,128. So, the exact sum is closer but just under. What is the exact value of 4,63,128 plus 4,19,682? It is 8,82,810. Next one, 14,63,128 minus 4,90,020. Roxy says the difference is near 10 lakh and is less than 10 lakh. S2 says the difference is near 9 lakh and is more than 9 lakh. Are these estimates correct? Whose estimate is closer to the sum? See, what is the exact difference? Here the exact difference is 14,63,128 minus 4,90,020. The exact difference is 9,73,108. What Roxy says? The difference is near 10 lakh and is less than 10 lakh. Is it correct? Roxy's estimate is correct. This 9,73,108 is less than 10 lakh and is near. Then what S2 says? The difference is near 9 lakh and is more than 9 lakh. See, it is more than 9 lakh, but the difference is not closer. So, Roxy is more closer. Will the difference be greater than 9,50,000 or less than 9,50,000? Why do you think so? See, the exact difference is 9,73,108. This difference is greater than 9,50,000. See, how to check this answer I have given here. Please go through it. Will the difference be greater than 9,63,128 or less than 9,63,128? Why do you think so? See, the exact difference is 9,73,108. This difference will be greater than 9,63,128. See, when we compare 9,73,108 and 9,63,128. Both numbers are 9 in lakhs place. Then looking at the 10,000 place, that is 7 from 9,73,108. The 7 is greater than 6 from 9,63,128. 7 is greater than 6. Since the 10,000th digit of 9,73,108 is greater, the entire number 9,73,108 is larger than 9,63,128. The exact value we had already found 9,73,108. Observe the populations of some Indian cities in the table given below. A table is given. You can observe the population of these Indian cities. From the information given in the table, answer the following questions by approximation. What is your general observation about this data? Share it with the class. In almost all cases, the population of the cities has increased significantly from 2001 to 2011. Then, another observation, Mumbai and New Delhi consistently hold the top 2 ranks in both census years. Then, some cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Surat, then Vadodara, then these cities show very substantial growth, indicating they are rapidly developing urban centers. What is an appropriate title for the above table? We can give like this: population of major Indian cities 2001 versus 2011 census data. How much is the population of Pune in 2011? See, I have given the values here. Then population of Pune in 2011 is, from the table, it is 31,15,431. Approximately by how much it has increased compared to 2001? So in 2001, the population is 25,38,473. So what is the difference here? 31,15,431 minus 25,38,473. This is 5,76,958. Approximately, Pune's population has increased by 5.77 lakh between 2001 and 2011. Which city's population increased the most between 2001 and 2011? Bengaluru. 84,25,970 minus 43 lakh 1,326, that is 41 lakh 24,644. So Bengaluru has the largest increase. Therefore, Bengaluru had the most significant population increase between 2001 and 2011. Other cities whose population has almost doubled, which are they? See, Bengaluru, 84 lakh 25,970 by 43 lakh 1,326. It is around 1.96. It is almost doubled. Similarly, for Hyderabad, Surat, Vadodara, then Pimpri-Chinchwad. These cities' population has almost doubled. By what number should we multiply Patna's population to get a number or population close to that of Mumbai? See, Patna's population in 2011 is 60,84,222. Mumbai's population in 2011 is 1,24,42,373. So, you divide Mumbai's population by Patna's population, you will get around 7.38. So, we should multiply Patna's population by a number close to 7.4 to get a population close to that of Mumbai. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.